Hi, this is Charlie from Path of the Bee. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Nicot queen rearing system. I use several steps to work through this system. The first one, this day here, is going to be 6 days before I plan to graft. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a queen excluder in between my two main brood boxes, and I'm going to insert the cassette. And this will allow some extra time for the bees to clean up the cups and prepare them for the queen to lay in. Let's get started. So I'm looking for the queen today. If I can find her, that'll help me a lot come the day to put the queen in the cassette. Okay, so I've got brood here already. It's a really prolific queen. She survived this harsh winter of the environment where I live at and has done exceedingly well, so she's been chosen as the candidate. Okay, so here's my queen. Light's bad. I don't know if you can see her or not, but so she's in the bottom box, and we'll go ahead and keep her in the bottom box. That way we know where she is. I'm going to keep checking these frames just to make sure that there's not a queen cell or queen cup or swarm indications of any sort. Get rid of some of this excess drone comb so it's easier to work here in a few days. Okay, so what putting the queen excluder in here does, it keeps her in the bottom, and so when it's time to build a cell builder, I'll know that I won't have any eggs of the right age to make a queen when I take them out of the top box. So I could build my entire system out of one strong hive. Okay, so I ordered my Nicot system from Kelly Beekeeping, and it comes in this nice cardboard box, which is great to store it in, because after they start using it, they'll pull out comb. And I wanted to keep it separate from everything else and definitely keep it safe from any kind of bugs or anything like that. So here we go, and I'll just poke this in the middle. So I'm going to end up removing this frame of honey. Scoot these guys out. I'm poking this in the middle. These bees had a really nice honey bridge, so I will not put a queen excluder back on the top. I'll just put my box back on. Alright, well that's it for this video. I'll leave these bees to settle down for a few days, and then I'll show you my next step. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.